Okay, so we're doing review, midterm exam review for introductory algebra. Okay, Badr, read the first question.
Find the value of the expression.
Yes.
10, 7 plus 4 plus 6, 8 minus 5 over 5, 6 minus 4 minus 2 squared.
Good. What's the first thing you should do here?
7 plus 4.
The exponent, right? So the exponent is the first thing, okay? So they give you 4 minus. Then 6 minus 4. And in the top, 7 plus 4. 8 minus 5. 3. Now multiply, you get what? 1, 10 plus 18 over 10 minus 4 equal what? 6. 128. Then divide by 2. Divide by 2. What are you going to get?
64.
You get 64 over 3. That's your final answer. Easy as easy? If you understand, raise your hand. If you don't understand, raise your hand. Okay, so everybody understand. Next one. Read your Badr.
Insert one pair of parentheses so that the left side of the equation is equal to the right side.
So we need to make the right side equal what? The left side. Now, let's take out the options. We have here choices. 9 squared is how much? 6 squared is how much? Is it equal to 25? False. So this is not the right answer. Second one. 9 plus 5 is how much? 15 times 15, how much?
225.
225. Is it equal to 225?
Yes.
True. So which one is the correct answer? B. Easy as easy? Let's go to the next one. Read your Badr.
Simplify the following statement and decide whether it is true or false. 20 greater than or equal to 4 plus 2.
Okay, he wants to decide, is it true or false? 4 plus 2?
6.
Is 20 greater than or equal to 6?
Yes.
True. So the answer is what? True. What if you get something like this? 20 greater than or equal to 20? Is it true or false?
True.
Why? Because it says or equal, and in fact it is equal. So in this case it's going to be what? True. That's another example, huh? Not the same example. Another example. Yeah, Badr, next one.
Write the word statement in symbols. 17 is equal to 7 plus 10.
Easy as easy? Yeah, next one. Muhammad, read.
Write each statement with the inequality symbol reversed while keeping the same meaning.
So the symbol here is going to be what? The inequality symbol is going to be what? Reversed. So if it's this way, then we change it to what? This way. So
12 greater than 3.
So you have to put 12 greater than 3. Is this clear? Next one, Muhammad.
Tell whether or not the given everyday activities are commutative. Washing your face and combing your hair. Yes.
So washing the face is the same thing, you know, like not same thing as like A plus B. Is it equal B plus A?
Yes.
Yes, true. That's a commutative, right? So the answer is here, yes. Is the exterior yes. Okay. Next one. Somebody from the back, somebody else did not read? Yes, go ahead, please.
Use the commutative or the associative property to complete the given statement. State which property is used.
So we have two properties, commutative What's mean commutative?
تبادل.
And what's associative?
التجميع.
Okay, I'll just take it for what he's literally saying. I don't know. All right, so here we have 3 plus 6. Now it's going to be 3 outside, and where should we put 6? So that's what type of, what are we doing? Associative. Why? Because one time here and one time here. Okay, that's dealing with what? Parentheses. Okay, easy. Yeah, from the back. Yeah, your turn in the back, Khalid.
Identify the property that the equation illustrates.
Illustrates, yes. 7 plus 0.
Identity.
Identity. Very good. So if you have ID plus 0, it's equal what? ID. If it's ID times 1,
ID.
very good. Do you understand this? Clear? Yeah, the next one, next to you. Over there, please. Yes. Convert.
Convert the following
Phrase.
phrase also
Into
into
mathematical
mathematical expression. Use x as the variable and
combine
combined like
terms.
terms. Two terms.
2 times
2 times the number added to minus 9 disputed for triple.
subtracted from
Yeah. The sum.
triple
The sum for 7 times the number and 2.
Very good. So last time we know that subtracted from, we have to do what? Reverse the order. So it's going to be 3 7x plus 2, and don't forget to put the minus. 2x minus 9, but don't forget to put parentheses here or brackets. So now it's going to be negative 2x plus 9, and here what? 21 x plus 6. Okay, so combine like terms, you're going to get what? 19x plus 50. Easy as easy. Yeah, the next one. Muhammad.
Solve the equation below and check the solution.
Okay, so we have to distribute how many times?
3 times.
3 times. So tell me, you're going to be what? Negative 21b
21 plus 2 plus
minus
minus 6
minus 6
minus 4 and plus 54 equal 21 and 2.
Good. Now we're going to combine a like terms. We have p and b here, right? What else we have? Negative 6, negative 4. Right or wrong?
Right.
So now we're gonna put those one here, right? Yalla, who can tell me?
13b.
13b.
Yeah.
Okay.
Minus 10.
Equal.
21 plus.
Now can I move this one here? Can I move this one here?
Yes.
So what do you get? 13b
B equals
minus 12b equal what?
30.
21 plus 10, which is what? 31 equal what?
B.
P. Easy as easy? Yes? Yalla, next one. Whose turn? Please read your name. Abdul Malik. Yalla.
Check whether the addition or multiplication property of a quantity should be used to solve the following equation.
Okay, so here, what do you say? Do not actually solve. Okay. Solve means you have to find the value of x, right? Or y. So here, what should I do? The first step, I have to do what? Add what? -2, right?
Yeah.
So here is going to be what? Addition. What should I do here? Multiply times half, both sides, right? So it's going to be what? Multiplication times what? Half. And here we're going to add what? -2. Okay. This one, multiplication times what? -1. Very good. Last one, addition. How much addition? -9. Is this clear? If you understand, raise your hand. Good. So then you make the choices here. The first one is addition, multiplication, addition. Easy? Yalla, I need someone who's third now. Yalla, mister. Read, yes. The one here. Yes. What's your name? Nawab. Yalla, no.
Wash of the following.
Which of the following equations
Question does not have all real numbers as a solution set.
Okay, now take a look at this. How much is x here? How much here? 6x equal what? 6x. So that's mean the left side equal to the right side. So the answer here is all real numbers, or solution. Now what about this one? 2 times x plus 16 equal what? 2x plus 16. The left side equal to the right side. So all real number. Remember, we have 3 cases, right? If 0 equals 0 or a number equal a number and it's true, then what? Mean all real numbers. Yeah. Abbreviation. So here equal, this is true, right? So in this case, all real numbers, right? If you have something like this, 9 equal 5. Is this true?
No.
False, right? So in this case, we say
No solution.
no solution. Do you remember that? Okay. So what about this one? 3 over 2 is going to give you what? 1.5x equal what? 1.5x. So answer is what? All real number. What about this one? Is this true?
No.
False, right? So in this case, the only one is D. That's the answer. Which does not have all real numbers as a solution set. Is this clear? Clear? Next one. Read Minanitor. Badr.
Solve the equation below and check the solution.
So I move the constant to the left side. So you get 4x equal what? 12. So x equal what?
4.
3. Easy as easy. So the answer is what? 3. Easy? Yeah, تفضل. Next.
Solve the following equation and check the solution.
So you get what? 24x minus 24 equal minus 90. Keep the variable in one side and the x is in one side. How much you have?
33x equals to 7.
-114. No.
-66.
Negative 66 divided by 33.
X equal to
So x equal what?
minus
Easy عزيزي. يلا next one. نبتدي من خالد. Yes, go ahead. Please read. Khalid? Yes.
16.
15.
If one number is represented by
No, read from here.
write algebraic expression for two numbers with a sum of -4. Let one of the numbers be represented by x.
Okay, so if one number is represented by x, what will be the other number? We can say y. Other number is going to be what? Y. So one number is x and the other number is y. So we're going to x plus y. Why we say x plus y? Because he said the sum of the two numbers equal what? -4. So if one number is represented by x, what would be the other number? The other number is y. So we have to isolate the x. So it goes to the other side, become negative. So your answer will be -x, -4. Is that clear?
Yeah.
That's it. Let's move on. Yalla, next, Muhammad, read.
A problem requires finding a number of cars on a dealer's lot, which would not be a reasonable answer. Justify your response.
Okay. Do you understand what's mean dealer's lot? Okay. And do you understand what's mean reasonable answer? Okay. Can the dealer has 0 number of cars?
Bankruptcy.
Yes. Can he have 6 cars? Can he have 1 car? Can he have 6.5 cars?
No.
No. So this is not reasonable because you cannot have, there's no half car, right? There cannot be a fraction number of cars. So that's that. Okay. Can I say 4.5 person? No, it's either 4 or 5. Clear? Let's go to the next one. Yes, Esther, can you please read 17? Decide whether a parameter or area would be used to find quantity of dough needed for a pizza crust. So what is Badr? We asked Badr, what does dough mean?
هو دو أصلا مش دو. دو هو like
Dove, what is dove?
kind of like an
عجينة.
عجين.
Okay. For pizza crust, what's crust mean?
اللي برا.
Huh?
الأطراف.
Okay. All right. So what he needs for the outside?
Perimeter.
You need perimeter or area?
Perimeter.
No. This is not atraf. This one crust is not. It's just only type of pizza. It's pizza crust means. Okay. So you need dough, right? What is dough? What is dough? So you need the whole thing, right?
Yes.
So the whole thing is going to be what?
Area.
Area. If you are talking about the outside, then it's gonna be not perimeter, circumference, because circumference come for the outside. Circumference. But if you have a rectangle, then we don't call it circumference. What do we call it? Perimeter. Is this clear? So the parameter is LW. But here the circumference is the outside. So are we looking for area or circumference? Area. We're looking for area. Because we're looking for what? For duff. Okay. Clear? Clear or not clear? Yalla, whose turn? Hamad.
Simple interest. I in a dollar is calculated using the formula. I يساوي BRT. Here B represents the principal or amount in dollar. In dollar or broad are represent the now interest rate experienced as a present, and T represent time in a year. Find the value of remaining variable in the simple interest formula. And write present as a decade.
Okay, how much is the principal?
400.
So what 400 is? How much is the interest rate?
5%.
5%. So you make it in percentage, right? How much time? Now, do you have a calculator? Yalla, do use the calculator.
أو 5 أو 6.
120.
So how much is your interest after 6 years?
120.
Easy as easy? If you understand, raise your hand. If you don't understand, raise your hand. I only follow the formula. Just apply the numbers, okay? Next. Oh, this one came in the test. Remember, first test? So opposite angle are what? Opposite angle are equal, correct. So what should I write here? Who can tell me? So I say 9x plus 16 equal what? 11x minus 2. Can I move this 11x to the other side? Can I move the 16 to the other side? So you get 9x minus 11x equal what? Negative 2, negative 16. You get negative what? 2x. And how much here? Negative 18. So x equal how much? 9. Is this the answer? No. You have to replace x by what? Replace x by 9. In any one of this, in the original expression. So let's do this. So we have 9x plus 16. How much is x? How much?
9.
9. X equal 9. So you put 9 here. 9 times 9 plus 16. 97. That's 97 degrees. If one angle is 97,
The other is 97.
The other is 97.
the other is going to be what?
97.
It has to be 97. If you want to check the answer, then you check the answer. This one came in the test, right? Did you do it? Correct? Next one. Next to you, next to Muhammad, read.
So Bx plus Fy equal K for X.
Now I need to solve for what?
For X.
Need to solve for x. So I need x by itself. How can I get x by itself? I have to move Fy to the other side, correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
So we have to move this to the other side. Can you move it to the other side? Become what? Negative or positive?
Negative.
Negative. So you have bx. Now I need to get rid of the b. What should I do?
Divide by b.
If you play one side?
Yeah.
Okay, so what's your final answer?
A minus F y over b.
Easy as easy? Okay, so we have two equations. When do I use this and when do I use this?
Use the one on the left.
When do I use this? If you have what? Slope
And 2 points.
and what and y-intercept. Point. When do you use this? When you have slope and you have a regular points. Regular points. Do I have regular point here or y-intercept points? Y-intercept point, it has to be like 0 and
No, regular point.
and b. This is regular point, which is 8 and 6. How much is slope here? 3. So let's apply y minus. How much is y1?
8.
6.
6.
How much is slope?
8.
3. How much is x?
X.
x1?
8.
8. So it's going to be y minus 6 equal what? 3x minus
24.
24. Okay? So it's going to be y minus 3x equal what?
18.
18. Negative 18. Okay? You can write it like this. Negative 3x plus y equal negative 18. Or you can write it like this. 3x minus y equal 18. All of them is a correct.
So,
Or you can write it like this. Y equal 3x minus 18. It depends on what he's asking you to write it for, how it looks like. He's asking you to write it what? Slope intercept form. So slope intercept form, you have to do it this way.
intercept form الثلاث اكس ما هي نيجاتيف بس على اليمين ماينس 3 اكس.
والله يا دختي يعني. تفضل يا باشا.
Which of the following equations are equivalent to 4x minus 7y equals 28?
He wants to look for what equivalent to this one. Which one is equivalent? Let's solve this for y first. Just okay. Let's solve this for y. So y equal what? Negative
4 over 7x minus 4.
negative what? So y equal what? Negative 4 over 7x plus 4. Do we have anything like this?
minus 4.
لا بالضبط البداية مو نيجاتيف 4 الثانية نيجاتيف.
We have negative here, right?
الأولى positive.
So we have to change the sign here. It become what?
Positive, negative.
This become what? Positive, and this become negative. Do we have anything like this here? A?
Yeah,
So A is correct. What about this one? Why wrong?
because the 4 is negative.
If I multiply this times negative 1, what are you going to get? 4x minus 7y equal what? 28. So
Also,
negative 7y equal what? Negative 4x plus 28. So y equal what? 4 over 7x minus 4. This which one? This one. So this is correct.
لا مو صح.
both correct.
Because this one is the original. Correct?
The original 4x minus 7y.
Yeah, but we play with this and we came up with this one. Okay, so this one is correct also. This one is correct. What else? What about this one?
Wrong.
It's correct.
Also correct?
Wrong.
D.
So let's try this one. Y minus 4 equal 4 over 7, x minus 14.
It's true.
I need to get rid of the 4 over 7. What should I do?
Multiply by 7 over 4.
Multiply by 7 over 4. If you plane one side,
Yeah.
you plane the other side. So this cancel with this and this cancel with this. So you get x minus 14 equal what? 7 over 4 y minus 7. Because I cancelled the 4 with the 4. Okay? Now, how much is y? 7 over 4 y equal what? X minus 14 plus 7. That give you what? Minus 7. Then I need to move this to the other side to become what? 4 over 7 times x minus 4 over 7 times what? 7 equal what? Y. Cancel this with this. So what do you get? Y equal what? 4 over 7 x minus 4. Is this same like the original one we have?
Yes.
So this is correct also. What about this one?
This is wrong.
This is wrong. What about this?
No.
No. So the only solution is A, B, and C. That's it. Clear? Let's go to the next one. Read Abad.
Write an equation for the line passing through the given pair of points. Give the final answer in A, slope and intercept form, and B, standard form.
Now, do we have a regular point here?
Two.
Yes. Do we have the slope?
No.
So can we get the slope?
Yes.
How can we get the slope?
Y2 minus Y1, X2 minus X1.
Exactly. So how much is y2?
9.
How much is y1?
7.
How much is x2?
8.
How much is x1?
6.
And this how much it give you?
2 over 2.
2 over 2, which is how much?
1.
1. So the slope here is what? 1. Now, what about the y minus y1? How much is y1? 7. How much is x1?
6.
Okay? Okay or not okay? So it's going to be y equal x minus 6 plus 7. So y equal what? X plus
Minus 1. Now plus
y
1.
equal plus x plus 1. Now this is in slope, intercept form. What if you wanted to do it in a standard form? How does it look like? We move the x to the other side, right? So it's going to be y minus x equal what? 1. But he wants the x to be at the beginning. So I just move the x to the beginning, right? Now, I don't like to have x with negative sign. So we multiply the whole thing times what?
Minus 1.
So you get x minus y equal what?
Minus 1.
So that's your final answer. Easy as easy. So this one goes here, and this one goes where? Where it goes here. Easy? Easy, mister?